If you love cooking but want to make the process easier and less stressful, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 20 kitchen gadgets from Amazon that can help save time and effort in the kitchen. These tools are perfect for anyone looking to simplify meal prep or cooking. I've listed the best options available so you can enjoy cooking without the hassle. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Revolution Touchscreen Toaster. Equipped with a touchscreen interface and 6 bread-type algorithms, this smart appliance ensures perfectly toasted foods every time. With panini mode, it transforms into a versatile tool for making crispy paninis, grilled cheese, and more. Its InstaGlow heating system toasts fast and evenly, leaving bread crunchy outside and soft inside. Choose from 3 modes, 7 shades, and frozen or fresh options for tailored results. A sleek stainless steel design makes it a stylish kitchen addition. Etexity Food Kitchen Scale effortlessly weighs ingredients with precision, supporting multiple units like ounces, grams, and milliliters. Its compact design fits neatly in any kitchen, and the stainless steel surface is easy to clean. Accurate up to 11 pounds with 1 gram increments, this scale simplifies meal prep and baking. The included tare function enhances usability, and the scale comes ready to use with batteries provided. Perfect for those who value accuracy and convenience in a small package. Pantry Chick Smart Storage System features airtight, BPA-free containers to keep over 100 dry ingredients fresh. Automatically measures and dispenses precise portions directly into your bowl, offering both volume and weight options. Its built-in kitchen scale ensures accuracy, streamlining meal prep and batch baking. Smart Recognition remembers ingredients and preferences for seamless use. Ideal for organizing and preserving staples like flour, sugar, coffee, and spices while maintaining a modern, clutter-free kitchen. Flip It Bottle Emptying Kit includes adapters and base caps to fit most bottles, making it simple to extract every last drop of product. Eliminates waste by letting gravity do the work. No more shaking, pounding, or cutting bottles. Easy to use and versatile, it replaces original caps for effortless dispensing. Compatible with a wide range of plastic bottles worldwide, this kit is an essential tool for saving money and reducing waste in homes everywhere. GoVLife Smart Electric Kettle. Smart Control lets you adjust settings via app or voice for a personalized brewing experience. Boils water rapidly in 3 minutes and keeps it warm for up to 2 hours. 4 preset modes cater to tea, coffee, and water, while a DIY option allows temperature customization. With a compact 0.8-liter capacity, it provides up to 4 cups per use. Stylish and efficient, it's perfect for elevating daily routines. Elite Gourmet Sandwich Panini Maker perfectly toasts and seals sandwiches while also preparing omelets, French toast, and even desserts. Designed for family use, this compact appliance fits small spaces and stores upright. Non-stick plates ensure easy cleaning with just a damp cloth. Whether creating a quick snack or a comforting meal, it's a versatile and efficient addition to any kitchen, making delicious creations effortless. Meter Plus Meat Thermometer. Wire-free and equipped with dual sensors to monitor both internal and ambient temperatures, ensuring perfectly cooked meats every time. With a 165-foot range and guided cooking system, it simplifies meal prep through custom alerts and time estimates. Dishwasher safe and app compatible, this thermometer delivers consistent stress-free results. Packaged for gifting, it's a thoughtful tool for food enthusiasts and home chefs alike. Farberware Meat and Potato Masher features a 5-blade design to mash and mix ground meats, potatoes, and softer cooked foods with ease. Its heat-resistant, BPA-free nylon head withstands temperatures up to 450°F, safe for non-stick cookware. Ergonomically designed for scraping, mixing, and mashing, it ensures consistent results. Easy to use and clean, this tool is a practical addition for creating perfectly blended meals and sides. iDo Compost Bin transforms food waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer in just 6 hours through high-temperature drying and milling. Reduces waste volume by 90%, minimizing disposal costs while enriching gardens. A child lock ensures safety, and its compact 3-liter design fits neatly on countertops. Stylish and efficient, It's an eco-friendly solution for managing leftovers and supporting sustainable living. Meal Helper Vegetable Chopper offers 7 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, and chunking, along with an egg separator and hand protector for added versatility. Stainless steel blades ensure durability and precision, while included cleaning tools simplify maintenance. Compact storage keeps accessories organized and saves space. Ideal for preparing ingredients quickly and safely, it's a time-saving essential for efficient cooking and meal prep. Top-Wit Hot Pot Electric. With dual power settings, 250 and 600 watt, this electric cooker offers versatile cooking options, from oatmeal to steaks. Its 1.5-liter capacity is perfect for 1 to 2 people, allowing easy preparation of ramen, stir-fries, and hot pots. The non-stick coating ensures healthy cooking with less oil and easy cleaning. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while its compact size makes it portable for dorms, offices, and small kitchens, perfect for a quick meal anytime. Dash Mini Donut Maker. Prepare adorable mini donuts quickly with this easy-to-use appliance. Offering a fast cooking time, it makes 7 mini donuts in just minutes, ideal for busy mornings or snack time. Its non-stick surface simplifies cleanup, while the one-step setup ensures a hassle-free experience. Versatile enough for creating a variety of donut flavors, from glazed to frosted, this donut maker also makes a great gift with its compact design and stylish color options. Kitchen Art Auto Measure Carousel. This spice carousel is built to last with durable plastic and offers easy access to up to 12 spices. It features a unique dial for precise measurements, eliminating the need for spoons with a perfect 1/4 teaspoon portion every time. Its sleek design makes it an excellent organizer for your kitchen, with 55 spice labels and the ability to store up to 48 spices. Rotate for easy access and keep your spices neat and tidy. Jamili Kitchen Faucet. Experience the convenience of touchless technology with this kitchen faucet. Simply wave your hand to turn it on or off, ensuring hygiene and ease of use. It comes with a multifunctional sprayer that switches between stream and spray modes for various tasks. Made from commercial-grade stainless steel and brass, it's built for durability and easy maintenance. Its easy installation process ensures you can set it up in no time, making it a perfect upgrade for any kitchen. Agrimony Cat Funny Hand Towels. These playful cat-themed towels bring charm to your kitchen or bathroom. Designed with a snap button, they prevent slipping while offering a soft, absorbent fabric to dry your hands. The realistic cat pattern provides a unique, fun touch to your decor, turning an everyday item into an adorable companion. Measuring 25 by 6 inches, these towels are perfect for adding a playful element to your home while keeping things dry and tidy. Cold Fill Electric Warming Tray. This electric warming tray ensures your food stays warm and delicious with 8 adjustable temperature levels. Its safety features, like a raised control panel and auto shutoff, provide peace of mind. The tray heats up quickly within seconds, offering full-surface heat that evenly warms different types of tableware. Its sleek design and easy-to-clean nano coating make it both practical and stylish, perfect for family meals, parties, or keeping dishes at the perfect temperature. Sopeto French Fry Cutter. Effortlessly cut potatoes, sweet potatoes, and vegetables into uniform half-inch strips with this high-quality stainless steel French fry cutter. The extended handle allows for easy leverage, making the cutting process quick and simple. It can handle large potatoes with no need to pre-cut, ensuring you can create fries or vegetable sticks in a single step. Perfect for home cooks who enjoy homemade fries, this cutter also works well with zucchinis and other produce. LifeWit Stackable Water Bottle. This stackable storage solution keeps your kitchen or pantry organized. It fits most bottles, from water to energy drinks and even wine bottles. The set of 2 shelves can hold up to 8 containers, neatly stacked to save space. Ideal for apartments or small kitchens, the design ensures easy access to your bottles while preventing them from rolling around. It's perfect for organizing your beverages and maximizing storage space. Zule Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. Keep your kitchen counters clean with this practical silicone utensil rest. Featuring 4 slots, it provides space to keep your utensils separated and easily accessible while cooking. The raised edges catch spills and drips, preventing messes. Made from heat-resistant, food-grade silicone, it's durable and safe to use near hot surfaces. With a non-slip base and easy-to-clean design, it's an essential tool for reducing kitchen clutter and maintaining a tidy cooking space. Gearlapole Electric Spin Scrubber. This electric spin scrubber offers powerful cleaning with its high-torque motor, making tough jobs effortless. Equipped with 2 speed modes, it's perfect for both light cleaning and heavy-duty tasks like kitchen grease removal. Its IPX7 waterproof design ensures durability, while the 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 120 minutes of continuous use. The LCD display shows remaining battery life, making it easy to keep track, and the scrubber is ideal for various surfaces from sinks to showers. Cooking just got a whole lot easier with these 20 amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets. Whether you're tackling a gourmet recipe or prepping a quick weeknight dinner, these tools are here to save you time, energy, and stress in the kitchen. Want to snag any of these gadgets for yourself? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Stay tuned for more tips, reviews, and kitchen hacks to make your culinary adventures stress-free and delicious.